This is my first vlog, so it'd be nice, please.
Is this thing on? Okay. Apparently, this is supposed to follow the focus on me. Oh yeah. Check out the no-shave quarantine beard going on. Here, little connection here. Not so much over here. Hold on. So, this is my new climbing wall. It's built to Moonboard specs, so it's about 8 feet wide, 12 feet tall, or 8 feet wide. The face of the wall is 12 feet. And shout out to my dad for helping me put it up. The build took about 4 days to complete. If you plan out all your cuts and you know what you're doing, pretty sure you can get it up in 1 or 2 days. But it being an outdoor wall, I wanted to paint it, make sure it's weatherproof, and I wanted it to really last because it's currently at my parents' house, and my mom basically told me when I move into a place that can fit this giant thing, I'm taking it with me. So I just finished painting these. Probably didn't really need to paint them. Probably could have just waterproofed them. But I found this deck over. It's textured. It's supposed to have like this really sandy, gritty kind of finish. And I think it might help with smearing on the board. This morning to some rain. Had to brush all the panels, all the boards into some cover. Great start to day 2. Today I talked about the kind of paint I was using. You can see there's kind of a texture. This is the first coat. The second coat should be even grittier. A lot of these pieces of plywood, there are these little circles you can see. Those are where knots were and they popped out. You can fix that with some wood filler. You fill it in and just paint over it. So all you do is take a little dollop. Oh, this is kind of old. Make sure it really gets in there. Wow. It's really hard to do this with one hand, sorry. And then you take your little paint scraper, plan it out. This is a really bad example, sorry. I'm using one hand. There you go. Sorry, that took me a little bit to do. Waiting for the putty to dry. I'm gonna paint the back with regular paint, same color, but the frame and the backside don't need a texture, just something to protect it from the weather. So we stacked all the plywood together so we wouldn't need to drill as much. So this is the part I've been kind of dreading, installing the T-nuts. Each T-nut has 3 screws, or a little over 200 holes. We'll see how this goes. We're doing it on hinges to make it adjustable. Because it was on hinges, we basically had to lift the board off the ground from one end, and we almost dropped it on ourselves a couple times. We ended up having to like budge a ladder farther and farther to brace it while we took breaks. Got a couple of these little guys poking out.
Nice. Weekend, it's gonna be raining. You're so happy.
a little bit of extra wood, and I basically turned all that into these climbing holds that you see. So I can't really do much today. Waiting for the T-nuts to come in the mail. So I think I'm gonna spend the day trying to make holds. So we have a bunch of scrap wood from the project. I'm gonna try to repurpose these into holds so I don't have to buy a bunch. Some of the bigger holds, I'm gonna try laminating the wood together with wood glue. Lamination is basically gluing all the pieces of wood together and clamping them down so they dry as one piece. This process is used for making actual plywood, skateboards, and longboards as well. So you clamp it together, and once it's dry, it'll be one solid block. If you don't have enough clamps, you can just screw everything together, and you'll be able to take the screws out after it dries. Letting this dry all morning, and hopefully it's dry by now, but once we get the clamps off, as you can see, we have one solid block. All we gotta do is shape this into a hold now. So this is where the block really starts turning into a hold. I'm using an angle grinder to shape it. This is a very time-consuming process.
You should definitely use a mask for all this. You don't want to breathe in all that dust.
So here's the post-grinded version. Decided to make it kind of like a sloper or a jug. A couple other holds I made this morning while waiting for this big hold to dry.